Emotional detachment often becomes visible through reduced emotional reactions during normal interaction. Changes in reaction patterns often signal deeper emotional shifts happening gradually over time. Gradual emotional shifts often influence perception before they become clearly understood. One noticeable sign appears when responses feel neutral during moments that previously created enthusiasm. Enthusiasm often reflects emotional involvement and psychological engagement in communication. Reduced enthusiasm often signals changing emotional priorities. Another signal appears when reactions become less expressive even when conversation remains similar. Expression often communicates emotional participation and psychological presence in interaction. Reduced expression often indicates reduced emotional investment. Emotional response often creates variation in communication energy and interaction dynamics. Variation often sustains curiosity and emotional stimulation during interaction. Reduced variation often decreases perceived chemistry. Another subtle change appears when positive reactions feel less spontaneous than before. Spontaneity often communicates comfort and emotional openness between individuals. Reduced spontaneity often signals emotional withdrawal patterns. Emotional engagement often appears through visible interest in shared experiences or topics. Visible interest often strengthens emotional connection and relational perception. Reduced visible interest often weakens perceived compatibility. Another pattern appears when communication feels more routine and emotionally engaging. Emotionally engaging interaction often creates memorability and psychological connection. Memorable interaction often strengthens attraction dynamics. Emotional detachment often creates psychological distance even when interaction continues regularly. Regular communication does not always indicate emotional closeness or relational engagement. Closeness often depends on emotional participation. Patterns of reduced emotional reaction often reveal underlying shifts in perception. Perception shifts often influence emotional investment over time. Investment often influences attraction dynamics. Attraction often remains stronger when emotional interaction feels responsive, balanced, and engaging. Balanced emotional participation often sustains curiosity and psychological interest. Curiosity often sustains long-term attraction.